Is Siri not appearing when you press the side button on your iPhone? It could be due to settings or a minor glitch. No need to stress. We'll guide you through the steps to fix the issue and get Siri back up and running. Before you follow anything, Solution 1. Enable Siri from Accessibility. Open Setting. Scroll down, tap Accessibility. Scroll down, tap Siri. Scroll down, enable Always Listen for Siri. Now, follow the following process. Solution 2. Turn off restrictions. Open Settings. Scroll down, tap Screen Time. Scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle Content and Privacy Restrictions off. Enter passcode if prompted. Restart your iPhone. Now, check if the error is gone. Solution 3. Change Siri settings. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Siri. Tap Talk to Siri. Toggle off the press side button for Siri. Wait a moment, then toggle it back on. Solution 4. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings. Tap General and select Software Update. If an update is available, just install it. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down again and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset all settings. Confirm when prompted. Now, Siri should appear when you press the side button. If this video helped, hit that like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.